Welcome to Introduction to Business Law. Business law refers to the set of legal rules and regulations that govern commercial relationships and transactions. The fundamental purpose of business law is to provide a framework for businesses to operate within, ensuring fair practices and protecting the rights of all parties involved. Business law comes from several sources. These include statutory law, which is legislation passed by government bodies; common law, which refers to court decisions that set legal precedents; and administrative regulations, which are rules issued by government agencies. Business law encompasses several key areas. Contract law governs agreements between parties. Employment law regulates the relationship between employers and employees. Intellectual property law protects creative works, inventions, and business identifiers. And corporate governance provides rules for managing corporations. Understanding these foundations is essential for any business owner or professional to navigate legal obligations and rights in the commercial world. Let's examine the key business law concepts entrepreneurs need to understand. First, we'll look at business structures and their legal implications. Sole proprietorships offer simplicity, but expose the owner to unlimited personal liability for business debts. Partnerships divide ownership between multiple parties, with liability depending on the partnership type. Limited liability companies, or LLCs, protect members' personal assets while maintaining tax flexibility. Corporations provide the strongest liability protection, but face double taxation and stricter governance requirements. Next, let's explore contract law fundamentals, the elements required for a legally binding agreement. An offer is a clear proposal to enter into an agreement under specific terms. Acceptance occurs when the other party agrees to the exact terms of the offer. Consideration is something of value that each party gives or promises to exchange. Capacity means all parties must have the legal ability to enter into contracts. Finally, the purpose of the contract must be legal. Contracts for illegal activities are unenforceable. Now, let's explore intellectual property protections that safeguard your business innovations and brand identity. Trademarks protect your brand identity, including names, logos, and slogans. They last for 10 years and can be renewed indefinitely as long as they're in use. Copyrights protect original creative works such as content, software, and designs. They last for the creator's lifetime, plus 70 years. Patents protect inventions and innovative processes. They grant a 20-year monopoly in exchange for publicly disclosing your invention. Finally, let's address compliance requirements that businesses must follow to avoid legal penalties. Business licensing requirements vary by location and industry. Most businesses need at least a basic business license. Permits and zoning regulations govern where and how you can operate your business, especially important for physical locations. Employment laws cover areas like minimum wage, workplace safety, overtime, and anti-discrimination provisions. Tax compliance includes federal, state, and local obligations for income tax, sales tax, and employment taxes. Consumer protection laws regulate advertising practices, product safety, and data privacy. Failing to comply with these requirements can result in significant fines, legal penalties, or even forced business closure.